Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. In this video, we'll be discussing the NIST Cybersecurity Framework. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework, CSF, is a set of guidelines and best practices developed by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, to help organizations manage and reduce cybersecurity risks. The framework consists of three components: the core, implementation tiers, and profiles. The core of the CSF is a set of cybersecurity activities, outcomes, and informative references organized into 5 functions designed to help organizations manage their cybersecurity risks in a structured and comprehensive way. Identify focuses on understanding the organization's business context and the risks that the organization faces. Protect includes the safeguards that an organization puts in place to protect against these risks. Detect focuses on identifying any cybersecurity events that may occur. Respond covers the organization's response to these events. Recover includes the activities that help to restore normal operations after a cybersecurity event has occurred. The implementation tiers provide a way for organizations to assess their current cybersecurity practices and determine their desired level of cybersecurity risk management. There are 4 tiers: partial, risk-informed, repeatable, and adaptive. Each tier reflects an increasing level of cybersecurity risk management sophistication. The Profiles component of the CSF allows organizations to align their cybersecurity practices with their business objectives, risk tolerances, and regulatory requirements. Organizations can create a profile by selecting the appropriate categories and subcategories from the core. The CSF also includes a set of informative references that provide guidance on specific cybersecurity topics such as supply chain risk management, threat intelligence, and vulnerability management. Additionally, the CSF emphasizes the importance of continuous monitoring and improvement to ensure that cybersecurity risks are effectively managed over time. That's all for the introduction to NIST. To learn more, follow the link provided in the description. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.